Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these cozy fingerless gloves. I used a medium yarn and 4.5mm hook for this paint, but feel free to use any yarn you like to make it. Let's get started and crochet together. For the measurement, from the top of your thumb here, top of your thumb until how long you want to be on your wrist. Okay, for example, look, some people don't like this part too long. Okay, it depends on you. I'm going to make a 30 chain for example, a chain that will be reach your thumb, look, from here and on your wrist, how long you want to be. Now I'm going to make a 30 chains. Make a slip knot, 1, 2, 3, 4. After making chains, you can also put the chain on your hand and measure it. I made my chains. Look, this is my desired size, but you can make more or less chains. After making chain, now yarn over, skip 1-2 stitches, going to the third stitch, get the yarn and pull through the hole. We're going to make in every chain like this a half double crochet. Next, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through all of them. Until the end, we're going to make a half double crochet in every chain. I made 29 half double crochet. For the next row, make 2 chains, turn our work, look, from the back loop of every stitches, just make from the back loop, making half double crochet. And at the end, again, we'll have a 29 half double crochet. Repeat like this way from the back loop of every stitches, make a half double crochet for 14 rows. At the end of 14 rows, we will have 7 lines like this. This is our first line. Yes, we will have 7 lines. Make it. As you see, I've made 14 rows. Now I'll give you a measurements if you're using different types of yarn that will help you. It's about 18 centimeter and here about 15 centimeters. Now moved up to row 15, but just make a look, 2 chains, turn our work, and this is row 16. But in this row, we're going to make just 16 half double crochet. 1, 2. After making 16 half double crochet, again 2 chains, turn our work, making again these 16 half double crochet until the end. 1, 2. After reach to end, again make 2 chain, turn our work again in the same way, making 16 half double crochet by using back loop of every stitch until the end. After making this row, make 3 chains, and here look, from this part, now we're going to move this part. Look, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, going to the 4, look, first get the whole loop, make a double crochet. This hole is for our thumb, and keep going in same way, make a double crochet until the end, get the whole stitches. After reach to the end, again make a 2 chains, turn our work. Now again make a half double crochet from the back loop of every stitch, even here, look, these 3 chains until the end. From the back loop, make until reach here. Look here, as I said, we're going to make in every chain half double crochet, and keep continue until the end. Now from here on, it depends on your length and size of your hand. Look, look, and this width is not good for me, and I will continue 1 or 2 more rows, okay, and you also continue more rows depending on your hand width, okay. After here, please note, when you are crocheting to the length of your hand, finish it in a way that the joining part, look here, we're going to join from here until to the top. Yes, the joining part ends up on the top of the thumb, exactly on the top of the 16 half double crochet. Then we can add the curly pattern on it. Getting the whole stitches and joining by a slip stitch here, joining together until the end. Now after joining, turn glove, make 1 2 3 chains, and in the same place make 3 double crochet. Next stitch, make 3 or 4 or 5 double crochet in same stitches. And here, look, I made 4 double crochet in every stitch. And keep continue. Look, next 4 double crochet in same stitch. Look, it will be shaping like the waves. And in this way, continue until the end. After reach to the end, we're going to look here on the first double crochet, make a slip stitch, 1 chain, cut our yarn. We're going to hide extra yarn. Now, as you see, our glove is ready. You can also make this part with another or colorful yarn as well, and it's really easy and funny to make these gloves. I hope you like this tutorial too.